Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at another tool. This time it's called Port Checker IO. Now Port Checker IO is a free utility to check the port statuses of any given host name or IP address. Now in this case, the way that you can use it is in your home lab. If you have a few machines running on a different IP addresses and you need to know if a certain port is open or not, you can use this tool to check that. But this tool isn't just to check ports on your infrastructure, but you can also check other domains. This is going to be used as like an example, the Port Checker IO, but there is a Docker version of this where you can run this in your environment and check your internal services. So as I said, this is a utility to check if a port is open or not, given a hostname or IP address. Before we continue, I just want to give you guys a heads up that most of you watching this video are not subscribed, and I do believe that there is room for more subscribers on this channel. So thank you for all of you who subscribed and have joined our family at JC Laforge Tech. So why this tool? So it's basically simple because most of the things that are displayed here, you can actually do it using the command line if you have access to a server. But this is a free GUI tool that you can use directly to do this. Now, this was developed by a fellow named Dan Hand, and this is his website, danielhand.io, and you have the GitHub, which I might feature in the description below, where you will be able to see all of his work and including the Port Checker IO site or page here. You always are welcome to go to coffee.com and give the man some coffee, or just start this project on GitHub to make it featured so that more people will be interested in it and discover it. This is the website that we're going to be checking out. And also they do have the Docker Compose, which I have here. And this will allow you to run this in your environment. Now, I will not be running this because it should be simple to do. We'll be checking this example, but I do believe that creating this in your environment will give you the same functionalities as this. However, the difference between running something in your environment and checking things in your environment versus running it on the internet with a reverse proxy and then checking things on the internet, you do understand there is a separation there, and you guys need to be more careful when you're exposing your services online. So what we're going to be looking at first is a simple service like Google. So let's look at Google here. So google.com. Now google.com is, something that we do visit every day. And we can look first to see if google.com has port 22 open or not. You can click on check. And as you guys can see, of course, port 22 is closed at google.com. We can check port 80, which is the HTTP version of, the protocol. And as you can see, port 80 on google.com is open. And it also means that port 443, which is for SSL, is also open. How about port 51? You'll see that port 51 is closed, and we'll see port 53. That's also closed. Now, there is another way you can check with an IP address. One of my favorite DNS resolvers is 1.1.1.1. And as you guys know, port 53 is for the DNS. If I check it, it's open because this is the port they use to resolve all of the DNS requests. So now, if I check for that port at port 80 with the same IP, it's open. 443 is open, and we can check something simpler like 21, which is FTP, and you will see that it's closed. So yeah, this is a free tool, guys, that you can use to check things in your environment or outside. It's super simple, but it might be useful. And also, guys, please do keep in mind that all of these things that I'm doing here, there are ways to do it from a Linux command line, and you can always check for ports and things and see if something is open or not. Now, thank you guys for watching this video. And I know this was another quick video, but I thought that you guys should know that a free tool such as this exists. I tried to create a free VPS here. Well, not a free one, but a VPS on virtual. And I had troubles, opening the ports to give you a demonstration. So basically that one was out. But I do believe if you create this one here, create using this YAML, the Docker Compose, and create your own port checker IO, you will be able to check any ports in your environment, giving it your IP addresses for your servers and see if any ports are open. Now, I don't know how useful this might be, but if you need something that, if you are looking for this utility, or if you need it for, a workplace or any place like that, I do believe it can be useful for some people to use. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all my subscribers. If you're subscribed, thank you. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, and share, comment. Everything you do here will help us move forward with this channel. Thank you again. See you in the next one. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.